at the gas station, just filling some gas right now. You guys are gonna come along with me as usual. It is storming, but we are still gonna pull through because I know the weather is just be playing me. I'm gonna stop at a plant place. I know I feel like if every time I vlog I'm always going to a plant place, but I have been wanting two plants for a really long time, a pothos and a monstera plant. So I will show you guys my plants and I will show you guys what I pick up. I have wanted this so bad for my room and my office. Yeah, let's go pick out some cute plants.
Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here.
I am so excited for my plants. I also got it in this clay pot because you wouldn't believe I didn't like clay pots at the beginning of it, but then I realized it looks so cute, it looks so natural. So this one is a little big for it. As you can see, it literally like falls into this, but I can like easily stuff it, and then when the plant gets bigger it's gonna drape down like this, as you can see. I mean, if I could put this in my car I would absolutely love to. It is just so beautiful and I can't wait to see how it looks on my desk. It's still storming a bit, but it just kind of stops. So on this particular day, I was planning out my week, so I decided to include this in my vlog. So I'm basically choosing some stickers that I like, and I love using my days of the week stickers to just add a pop of color to all of my day headings. And then I chose this beautiful like a summery print for my planner, and it has a lot of tropical vibes and flowers and just fruits. It's just really gorgeous. So I'm just adding those into my planner, and I've always found, for me personally, once I decorate my planner, I use it so much more than if it's just blank. I love the decor, it just adds so much to it and it motivates me to use my planner. And of course, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I cannot not use my planner. It is a must-have if I have to run my YouTube channel, my blog, my stationery brand, and just my life in general. This is what keeps me sane. So as soon as I finish decorated for the week, I go ahead and then I fill it out. And this is my planner from my stationery brand. It's pretty productive, by the way, if you were wondering what kind of weird planner this is, but I really love it. So here I'm filling out the dates and the months. I'm filling out my habits that I want to track and all the things that I have to do. And that is basically my spread, my little plan with me spread for this vlog. Let me know if you want to see more actual plan with me videos, and I will definitely do them for you guys. Finished film. It is now 4:30. I finished a little later than I thought because so much things were going on. I can't bear to look at how oily I look. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But so many things were going on. Somebody literally started to mow their lawn, and I live in the city, so every few minutes it was like an ambulance or a police car or something like that. It was literally so freaking annoying. But now I'm finished. I have to do an Instagram post for the End Period Poverty campaign that I've been doing, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm feeling like so nervous to do this while you guys are there. It's the weirdest thing ever. The best way I think that I have to do this is by like one video at a time, or else I get so overwhelmed and I mess up all the time. Hi everyone, it is Roxy, and I am so thankful to everyone who participated in the last time you guys. I think I have to take off the camera because I'm getting so like nervous. Hi everyone, it is Roxy, and I'm so thankful to every single person who participated in the End Period Poverty campaign by Always. Our goal was to raise 115,000 pats by the end of June, and guess what? We have done that. Woo! One down to go. So I am gonna go ahead. Oh, I'm gonna lock my doors. Always lock your door at traffic lights, kids. I also am wearing this cute little blush throw over. I love this. I got it from, I can't exactly remember where, but I do love it. I love this color right now. It's my favorite color. It's like a mauve and blush pink, dusty rose, whatever you want to call it. Might get some Starbucks. things just started. I see it. On our way to Starbucks. In Starbucks, you can order your stuff in like a cup if you're having it there. So you don't have to order it in plastic cups or stuff. You can have it in a nice little mug. And this is green tea matcha. Okay, on my way home now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take off of my makeup, maybe edit something, and then go to sleep because today was like so freaking long.